Alright, trade recap. Now I unfortunately already deleted all the drawings. But anyways. Oh man, my bad. Here's another one. Alright, should be the last one. Now anyways, I took two trades today on gold and USDCHF. And we had one W and two Ls, but fortunately the W was big enough to still be in profits. In profit, I mean. So yeah, now, but of course, I took a screenshot because guess what? I'm journalizing. So I can show you the screenshots of that. Now let me start with the gold trade. Ah, yeah. Now I messed this one kinda. Because right there I had like an order block, and the thing is, it was like kinda hard to find you like a good opportunity to go in because we see here. Oh, actually, this is wrong. This isn't an inverse fair value gap. Anyways, now it was, I think, at the beginning bullish, but I was expecting it to, to go down. So I can later enter of that, and because I didn't see like a real, entry opportunity for a short. Now, in theory, if I would have been like very locked in, I could have taken this one, and this little leg up, for a short, because we see buy side is spilling, but also a small order block. But again, for me, like overall, it would be the best if I didn't have to take. I wouldn't have taken a trade overall. Now the thing is, it went down to this 30-minute order block. My buy limit got triggered, and I got stopped out. And I re-entered and got stopped out again, like around about there. And then I did the very stupid mistake, like I think 30 minutes later, to go long here because then it was going up, with the hope to at least take out this high, but it did not, so I lost more on gold than expected, and this kind of sucks. And the thing is, I actually told myself when I don't, after I, I wasn't able to take an W with the re-enter, I told myself, okay, if I don't take no more trades today, I won. Why? Because then I could, keep my shit together to not overtrade. But I did it anyways, and now this caused me to lose more than expected. And yeah, so you see, I'm getting my shit together slowly, but there's still I still need to improve way better. Even if I'm still up to date, overall, I need to up my mental game. And that's the reason why I actually go to the gym, because I haven't been going for a while, and I just do some smaller exercises, just to get a bit more fit. But I actually have to not double down, but to go a bit more aggressive, more conservative, to go on this problem, or like let's say go on this lack of discipline, because I'm building it up, and I see it's going to a good way, because yeah, I'm still profitable, since yesterday, but still, if I want to actually get to my goal, I have to be super, 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 aware, strict, and concentrated, like laser focus. So I can allow myself to do this kind of things. And in other terms, I can allow myself to let me too much time to build up my discipline. And of course, one important thing, you can't rush it. You can't rush it. But what you can do is build up momentum. So I can't say, now the next time I'm going to have like an insane big lot size. It doesn't work like that, okay? To compensate the loss from yesterday, because this is going to make me lose tomorrow, and I don't want to lose tomorrow, of course. So I'm going to decrease the lot size, because today I increased it on gold. I'm going to decrease it by 0.01 lots, something like that. But I will go a bit up on my lot size with USDCHF, because I really start to feel very comfortable with it, and that like two very clean trades today and yesterday. Now let's go on to the USDCHF. We see beautifully it's played out. We had here an order block, and actually a pretty solid one. And I saw, okay, I was targeting like this level, and on the daily this would be like a prominent high on the daily. So, and actually took out this high. So I told myself, yeah, I could take this. And funny enough, at the beginning I had this as a final TP and this as TP2. But I just change it a little and close it a bit earlier. So we see, even when we are like, I would say, having like a good movement, a good start, as I mentioned, there's still, more to do with my discipline, my mental game. I'm getting better because I'm winning, but still, if I have a certain plan and a goal, which is realistically to, fulfill and to achieve. But then, as I mentioned, I have to be super, super focused, laser focused, and I can do it. So I need to work on my mental game. And the thing is, it's not like that's terribly fucked. It's I have like do like a completely change in my life. The thing is, I already been through this kind of thing, with building with the discipline, but in a different niche, in a different business. So the only thing is like to awaken it again, as stupid as it sounds, and that's the reason why I'm going today to the gym. I already was before somewhere outside stretching and doing very few exercises. So yeah, I'm going today to the gym because I didn't want to go yesterday because it was kind of too late. But today I'm going to the gym to speed up and increase the momentum for my bit discipline. Because for sure, I know when I go today to the gym and I do a very good workout, today is going to be a very good, profitable day. Now, anyways, yeah, today was news. This was like my concern because it was news at 2 p.m., 2:30, and CPI it was, I guess. And I don't really like to trade on news or when I do it, and I rather take these movements way earlier. So in case if it's like going in my favor and then the news drops, then boom, then at least it hits stop loss without taking the loss from the beginning. Now in this case, the news was partly it was more good for USD than negative. There was also one negative, but the other ones were like good. So as you can see, after this lag down, boom, into this red zone, went up again, and TP got hit. And now I didn't want to do this, but because you see my Notion shit, I can reveal my equity. Yes, exactly. I'm trading with $100. I started this week on Monday. I started with $93, sorry, Swiss francs, and now we are up to 210. Actually, let's say if I wouldn't have taken the euro use the gold trades at all, then we would be up 250. So pretty close. But still, tomorrow I'm going to trade. I'm going to slightly increase the lot size on USDCHF and see what's going to come. If it's going to be profitable, then we will, yeah, being at a pretty good spot. But yeah, so I actually doubled it since Monday. Since yesterday, I doubled it. Yeah, well, you can say it's good and stuff, but the thing is, I have like a plan, and I have to follow this very strictly, and that's the reason why I have like to be super, 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 super focused. So I don't really care, to be honest, right now too much on the equity, more like on the, let's say, on the trades itself and on the percents, how much I would be up. But this is like something I always only care after the trade is done. So yeah, this is pretty much my current situation. One W, two Ls. This one was a very stupid. Not this one. It was very stupid to take also this leg up because then later it went down. I deserved it. The thing is, it was very close, and I hoped, oh, then I just don't touch it. But I think this was a very important lesson for me to take. No over trades if I get stopped out, because usually it works out, but kind of was a bit nervous because it was doing something, was very volatile right there, huge volume, and then I got kind of nervous. And yeah, now the plan is to actually, just increase the momentum of my discipline to build up the discipline, so something like that not don't have happen again. And yeah, tomorrow's a new day. I don't know if I will have like any setups, but in case if I have, tomorrow is going to be a very good day. When I go today to the gym and going to have like a real locked in workout. And I know how it sounds for you guys, but the thing is, I'll back test it on the live markets and also on the replay and websites, my strategy and stuff like that. And the thing is also at some point also the market intuition, but with the trades, I know my setup works. My strategy works. It's really my psychology. I'm not there yet where I can say, okay, if I lose a trade, oh yeah, I have a bad, I've like fucked up my psychology, and there's something else I need to improve. I'm not there yet because right now it's my psychology. And after I've clarified that, now I'm keep winning, and also maybe I've like consider some losses. Then I'm going to move on and level up even more on in different realms. But right now, all my focus is on my psychology to improve that because I already have like I would argue enough proof and data that my strategy works, and I only have to up my mental game because then I maybe I could have taken this leg down or not even take a trade at all on gold, but still being with but still being up with USDCHF. Even with the original TP plan. So yeah, we are getting closer, and this is what matters. We are getting closer. We're getting closer. Now, I have to be honest, right now I'm a bit fucked up and disgusted because of this what happened with gold. So I'm not going to look at the chart anymore for today, and not giving any fucks about it. So yeah, we're going to focus now to just fix my mentality, or in other words, build up more discipline. So tomorrow, if there's a trading setup, we can rock this. So yeah, with that being said, cheers, and I will you keep updated. And by the way, I forgot to mention yesterday was a very good day. Two W's on gold and USDCHF. I actually can show you this before I end this video. So where are we here? And this was yesterday. This was gold, a nice one, and this one was USDCHF. All right, now this was a trade recap. Going like in a 1 to 2 hours to the gym, and then fucking rock this trading day tomorrow if there's a setup. Keep stacking, keep building a bit discipline. Cheers.